Hey guys, welcome back. In this video we are looking at a bunch of Happy Planner stuff. I think it's been a while since we did a Happy Planner haul and it's about due. They've had a lot of good sales, some bad, some good. Over the last few months they had VIP sale, they had 80% sale, it's up to 70% sale at least once, maybe twice. All kinds of crazy sales. So they don't put packing lists in anything. And I have absolutely no idea which sale anything was from. They're still giving out this sticker. I can't wait to see a new one. Alright, so we're just going to jump in because I actually have to stand up to film this because there is so much stuff. So I got two more packages of the plain black paper, which I am a big fan of. I'm just going to be checking stuff in a box, in case you're wondering what that noise is. They had enamel pins at some point. Let's see if there's a year. 2018, 2018, 2018? Where is it? Yep. Okay, these are for my daughter because I do not do yellow. And I thought those were cute. And I thought those were cute. And it turns out there was a fourth set that I hadn't purchased or that I just didn't see. But they just had another sale. I think it was the 80% off sale. So those are coming whenever they get around to shipping things. They haven't shipped me anything yet. Let's put these over here. So I pretty much just grabbed like some things I didn't have, a lot of my favorite things, stuff like that. So like these are two of my favorite Faith sticker sets. They're just a little like punch to go in your planner. They're from, I don't know, maybe 2020. Where's the year? Yeah, they're from this one's 2020. And this one should be too, but I'm looking for the year because they hide it. Oh, come on, guys. There we go, 2020. So, same year. So, we have seen these before. I've used them in Plan With Me's. I particularly like these, so I grabbed some more. I think in the 80% off sale, I think I still had stuff in my cart that I had already purchased, and I'm pretty sure I purchased more things that I already purchased, if that makes sense to you. I think there's more stuff coming that's already here. So that's kind of annoying, but, you know, whatever. I'll do a giveaway or something, probably. So I got a set of bookmarks, because I had never seen these before, and as we all know, I love to collect bookmarks, because I use them as washi cutters. I use them in all my planners. They're just one of my favorite things. Oh, silver foil. Every day's a fresh start. You got this. Something happy, focus on. It's probably supposed to say the good every day. So it's like a section of a whole bunch of motivational quotes. And then we've got a bunch of black hearts, which I think I have a Mickey one like that. Maybe it's got Mickey heads on it. And then this one that was on the front. So silver foil, and then be the girl who decided to go for it. So I like these, so I grabbed them. I know everything I got was cheap. I just don't remember, like in comparison to its regular price, I just don't remember which sale this is from or how cheap it was. And then I grabbed the Work Plus Life bookmarks because I really like these. It appears though it says something about 2 units. So I find these really useful because it's got, you know, like this week, I think this month and today. Well, I think I had the same problem when I got them the first time. How do you get them out? There are, in fact, 2 sets in here. So now I have to wonder, did I buy 2 sets, which I totally might have, or is this a boo-boo? So that's them. They're from Work Plus Life. They're one of the few things from Work Plus Life that I like. So I got those. Garbage goes over here. Okay, so big shiny pink thing. So this is another one of the totes. This is the bright pink one from this past year, with the white polka dot interior. This is the only one of these totes that I did not have. So when I was able to get it super cheap, I grabbed it. I also got 2 of the new sticker storage books. Just change of cover is nice. I'll be changing out the discs, of course. But I was starting to run low on these, so cheap, grabbed 2. I can almost sit down. Okay. Alright, so I bought a bunch of mini discs because I don't really have any, like, mini metal discs. So I got a rainbow set, I got a purple set, and I got a silver set. I feel like these were in a prior video, but I don't think they were. I think I was like planning videos in my head. But if I've shown you guys those before, let me know. Okay, what next? Let's go with stuff you've already seen. Okay, so I got Wellness Warrior because this is one of my favorite, well, this is, I think, my absolute favorite wellness sticker book. I just really like the colors, the boxes, there's foil. This is definitely like top 2 favorite wellness books right here. And then I got coloring, which I think I already have one. Yeah, I already have one of these. So I grabbed another one. And I grabbed another Gratitude, and I'm pretty sure I got another Gratitude in the 80% sale, but I could be wrong. We'll see what it gets here. So this really has like very much, even color way-wise, this is a faith book more than a gratitude book kind of vibe for me. So, I mean, you know, it's gratitude, but a lot of this you could really turn into faith stuff, which is why I grabbed it. So I got another one, and then there's like an 8 sticker. There was like one of those little 8 sticker skinny tall pack things. I had gotten that, so pretty sure that's my second gratitude, and it's possible there's a third coming. I ordered a second colorful boxes. This was like less than half price. So I figured it's colorful boxes. Who doesn't need those? So I grabbed another one of those, and then I grabbed another one of all the essentials. Again, it was less than half price, which for Happy Planner on their website is really good for mega books. All right, we're almost to where I can sit. Let me put these things over there, and then I can do these 2 things, and then I can sit down. Yay! Okay. So this is that massive. Sorry about all the noise. I don't know which way is up. This is the massive Work Plus Life tote bag. I can think of a million reasons for this, especially since they've taken away all the plastic and paper shopping bags in New Jersey. So I can think of a lot of uses for this, so I grabbed this. This was really cheap compared to the original asking price. I still don't understand why this came in plastic. So I'd gotten another Zip Folio. Classic size, of course, because they don't make them in big size, which is a massive oversight on their part. So it's exactly the same as the sand-colored one and the 2 leopard ones you've seen before. Just figured I would grab another one because it was a good price and I didn't have this color. Okay. Now I can sit. Sorry about my chair being loud. Alright, there's not that much left, but there is one sticker book that I think I have not shown you, so I want to be able to do that. Alright, so I also grabbed the Jungle Vibes Planner Companion because this is the only one I didn't have. Like, literally, this is the only one I did not have. So I figured, why not? It was, like, way cheap. If I can find my emails, I'll put prices for things. So, you know, the usual thing. It's a cute folder, except for, you know, the yellow animals. It's got the bracelet, it's got some filler paper, vision boards, super useful folder. Note the heavy sarcasm. My favorite, the most useful envelopes. Not really. That one's kind of cute. But really not a fan. And then we've got some more paper over here and a couple of sheets of stickers. And you will recognize this animal down here from the die cut stickers they were sending us for a while. And now they have switched to the phrase. So anyway, I grabbed this just because I didn't have it. And because it was cheap, you know, and I needed more envelopes. I've only got like 9 million of those. This was the last bracelet I needed for my collection. Put that over there. I grabbed another black snapping cover. This is the one with the pocket. I think I bought one of these. I know I got one of these in, like, I think it was a tan color or a gray color. I think it was tan. But this is the black one, and it's got the, sorry about that, pockets. So that makes it nicer than the other ones. So grab that. When we're organizing punched things and inserts and filler paper and all that kind of stuff, covers are great things to put on the outside. Make sure they stay safe. Okay, let's see. Alright, so these are cardboard. So I have to sort the recycling. Okay, cardboard. Alright, we did sticker books, or at least we did that pile of sticker books. I also grabbed horizontal Skinny Classic. I bought one of these on clearance once and used the pages like to make a sticker book, to stick stickers to, but I've never actually had one to use, so I'm kind of fascinated. And people have been going kind of crazy with the whole showing these things on Instagram every day, so I think I might get in on that. So it is currently August. This is cute. I think I have another, yeah, I have another planner like this, or a notebook. I think it's a notebook. So this is, it's 12 months, but it starts in July, so it goes through June. It had a really pretty cover. It had unique small discs. And like I said, everybody's bombarding me on Instagram with these like little real plan with me things. And I was like, well, maybe I could do that. I don't know if I can do it, but we'll give it a go and see what happens. Looks like fun. Alright, so now these last things came from Amazon, but they are Happy Planner. And I don't remember, but I don't think I did these. So if I did, I'm sorry. So this is the Aloha Stitch sticker book, which I'm just going to quickly flip through because this is not new by any means, but guys, it's got hollow foil, it's got blue foil, it's probably one of my favorite Disney sticker books ever just for that, because, you know, after that first Villains one that just ruined Disney foil stickers for me for a while. So I got that off Amazon after much waiting, and then I also got this off of Amazon after much waiting, and we've got like, it's kind of like, I think it's foil, but this is a plans and notes. Notes and plans, plans and notes. Which are you? What are you called? I just saw it. Oh, there it is. Plans and notes. So when I did the original review of plans and notes, I was quite harsh on them. I still feel a little hostile towards them. But I don't know, it's kind of like just another notebook. So I figured why not? So they do come with stickers, and they are functional stickers. I'm sure you guys have seen this already, but I didn't actually get to flip through it. I just saw the same videos you did, so I'm just gonna flip through it real quick. So you've got every month and all these functional stickers for every month. You know, cute like Stitch pictures or anything. Okay, so now we've got note paper and a perpetual calendar and another notes page, and then a notes page, although I suppose you could turn that into a currently. And then here's your monthly. This is completely undated because it's a notes and plans, so the nice thing about it is you can use it or not use it whenever you like. So you get this list, you get this page, and then you got your next month. So there's not a whole lot. Oh, okay. Alright. So this is all your months here. The other thing I like about these is they have sturdier dividers. I don't necessarily love the plastic dividers, and I kind of do love the plastic dividers, but they're way sturdier. So you can set this up however you want because these things are just like grouped in here. So there's your dividers, and now here's all your notebook paper, which is why it's plans and notes. So you could leave it this way if you wanted, and just have all your monthly calendars up front, and then have all your note paper back here. Or you can split it all up and use divider tabs, or don't use the divider tabs, it's up to you. And then this is a harder cardboard back insert, and then the back cover, which is cute. It's also filthy, but it's very cute. So didn't they do like a box or something? Like, I didn't like the box, but they had this on Amazon. It has foil, and they had that, and it has foil, so I grabbed those. So I really don't remember if I showed you guys these or not. I hope I didn't. I hope this is like a new thing, along with all my other, not really new, but new for me things. Don't worry, Stitch wasn't injured. Just throwing everything in the box. Alright, so now this one is hysterical, and this is the last thing. This is another Plans and Notes. And I didn't even want this one, but they didn't have any of the ones I liked in stock. I was on Zoom with one of my Patreon groups, and somebody said, or something we were talking about, made me think of some great use for one of these things. Like, I was all excited. I was up until 2 a.m. trying to find one that I liked on Amazon. And I had to go to work the next morning. So that's never a good combination. And I can't for the life of me, by the time it got here, remember what that idea was. Not a clue. So it's here. It's got, looks like gray discs. It's got a cabana stripe, which is what they have right on the front. And then it's the same kind of deal. So we've got this. And then we've got, which should be 12 months worth of stickers. Yep. And then, no, like this Plans and Notes belongs to, so I guess you could do that here if you wanted. Perpetual calendar. And your notes and your month, so you can set those up however you like. It is the same as the other one. It is an undated set of monthlies. Right, whole thing is monthlies. Yeah. Okay, so front section is monthlies, and then we've got kind of coral, kind of peachy, golden yellow, and another pink. And then we've got a ton of notebook paper. And I already have a ton of this notebook paper because the paper itself was available in paper packs, and I bought a ton of those. But I can't remember what I wanted this for. So I'm hoping at some point it will pop back in my head what I wanted this for, because these aren't cheap, which I don't understand either, but they're not. They look cheap. Sorry, but they do. And I know people who love them. Like, Elise is totally obsessed with these things. I can't remember what I wanted it for. And if I could remember what I wanted it for, that at the time seemed such a great idea, I would probably be more excited about it. But since I can't remember right now, not excited. As soon as I remember, though, I'll be jumping up and down and filming a video about whatever it is and showing you guys what I'm going to do with it. I just have to remember. And right now I can't, which is sad. But that's our last item, so unless you know what I was thinking that night, thanks for hanging out with me. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, share it with a couple of your friends. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss any more videos, and I'll see you in the next one.